friends, providing a worked example where the teacher models a clear step-by-step process while also providing a think-aloud explanation of the process can be quite valuable for learners. Sharing a worked example that students can watch and re-watch, hear the explanation of the thought process, and digest the strategies helps them to absorb that information. When we take this a step further and ask students to review one worked example, practice an example on their own, review another worked example, and practice again, alternating back and forth, asking them to immediately apply what they learned, studies have shown that misconceptions are broken down and understanding is reinforced. Let's take a look at how using a simple Schoology assessment can take the worked example strategy to the next level. Begin by creating and setting up the Schoology assessment. Providing explicit instructions to inform students of our expectations. Then, scroll down and save before moving on to add questions. In the questions section, choose Add Text and place the cursor in the space provided so a word processor type screen appears. Then select the Tools icon. Add or record a video modeling expectations. Now this might be demonstrating math computation for an equation, or how to set up for a lab experiment, or how to mark up a map, or how to annotate a text, or any number of skills and or tasks that we might ask of students. Be sure the video includes the problem or expectation, followed by an explicitly stated step-by-step solution or explanation, and point out the steps that increase efficiency for the students. Notice that there's even a space for reviewing the video before selecting OK. Now it's time to add an opportunity for the student to apply the principles they learned, with an independence practice opportunity to solve a similar problem, mark up their own map, annotate a text, etc. This time, let's add an highlight image question. We can enter instructions and use the equation editor to add a math problem and then select Upload Image. At Upload Image, we can add an image of a piece of paper to provide students a guide for solving the equation. Or we could add an image of a text to request students indicate different information, parts of speech, literary features, etc. This is also where we could add a map or a chart if we want students to draw or indicate information there. And once we've added the image where we want students to show their work, we just select OK and then save. To provide alternating opportunities for students to immediately apply the principles they just learned, all we have to do is alternate videos of worked examples with independent practice opportunities. This way, students can watch and re-watch, practice, and repeat, moving on when ready, not when the majority of the class members are ready or when the teacher is ready, setting their own pace and achieving comprehension that sticks. Once again, create and set up a Schoology assessment. Select Add Questions, add text, and add or record a video. Add an independent practice opportunity. Alternate worked examples with practice opportunities. We all know that engaging students is tough, and even when they start off engaged, just about anything will derail them and we lose their attention. That's what makes using the worked example strategy tough for maintaining student focus and achieving learning goals. However, using blended learning is one way to make the worked example strategy more powerful in the classroom, and Schoology assessments can take the worked example strategy up to that next level. Well, that's a wrap for WCS EdTech Tip. Create worked examples with Schoology assessments.